YouTube, I'm gonna do an unboxing video of the Nike Zooms Hyperdunk. I picked these up today because I needed new basketball shoes for a season. And I got this one here. I got socks, the Dri-Fit cushion performance socks. And I got shoelaces for the Zooms, bright green. They look nice. So here's the shoes. This is high tops, and I tried them on at the store and they have good support. There's the Zoom technology, I guess, right there too. Looks pretty cool. Well, I'm gonna probably be doing more unboxing videos, and so yep, there it is. And I'm gonna have one with these on next time. Alright, bye.